Hi guys! For this video, I am trying something new. I am for the first time making a video without much of a plan. All the other two times I wrote out a script of what I was going to say stuff, and this time I have been unbelievably busy. So I'm just talking to the camera and you just get me unfiltered. Also, there used to be a poster here, but then it fell down on me while I was sleeping. Yeah, I filmed this on my bed, but I was really upset, and so I haven't put it back up yet. So yeah, I was busy with school stuff leading up to the weekend. Oh, and then starting on Friday through Sunday, I was on a retreat. It was a really good retreat. It was a very good weekend. And then on Monday, it's Tuesday right now when I'm filming this, so that I can upload it on Wednesday. So on Monday, I had no time for anything because I substitute taught all day, and then in the evening I went to a local community center where I'm volunteering lately. Anyway, I live with my older sister, and she is a chemistry teacher at a local high school. And I often substitute teach at that high school. So the kids all know my sister, and so first of all, they think whenever I'm there, they think it's hilarious that they have two Miss Spragues today, but I'm going to be in this one class every Monday for 6 weeks. And so when I told the kids that, they all started high-fiving each other. Ugh, my heart. I can't even tell you how much I love these kids. They're so adorable. Oh, I can't handle it. They're so cute. I love them. Oh dear, low battery. My camera ran out of batteries. I think I was telling you about the kids. Oh, the kids are sophomores, at least the class I was subbing for, and they're the cutest thing ever in the world. Really though, I did spend all day with these kids, but I could spend all day every day with these kids and be happy. They're great. And they're hilarious. And also, so I don't know how I've convinced them that I am apparently the best substitute teacher they have, but they are continually, every time I'm there, trying to convince me to stay and teach them as their regular teacher. They're like, oh, we just want you to stay and be our regular teacher. Can't you just stay all the time? And I'm always like, oh, you guys are sweet. But in my head, I'm going, kids, you have no idea how much I have no control over who gets hired to teach at this place. Because they're always trying to convince me. Like, I'm the one who needs to choose to stay with them. And I'm like, kids, if the school offered me a job, you can bet that I would be there. There's one girl in particular who every single time she sees me in the hallway, she's like, are you gonna teach Spanish 5 to us next year? And I'm like, no. You know, it's the best self-esteem boost there is, that all of these kids seem to think that I'm just the bee's knees. If my experience of substitute teaching thus far is anything to go by, you need to do like 3 things. Follow with the plan that the teacher set down so the teacher doesn't get mad at you. Don't be a jerk to the students. Like, it's not that hard. Just don't be mean for no reason. And be interested in their lives. That's all. And they love you for it. So that's what's up in my life right now. But yeah, this was kind of fun, just talking to the camera about what I've been doing, especially because I know you guys are all gonna watch it. So, it was really good talking to you guys, and I'll see you again next week!